Asari Dokubo, they say the man don't come outside for this video. Come talk say he don't deny Biafra. Say he's not part of Biafra again. No, say that anybody will say him be Biafra. He say in fact he go do with that person. He prefer to be Nigeria and is comfortable living in Nigeria. This now waiting Asari Dokubo don't come outside. They come tell us so, and also what's ahead and attacking Ndigbo again. I'm going to play the videos for you to watch before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Why would I leave frying pan and jump inside the fire? I would prefer to be in Nigeria than jump into the fire. So I have no business with Biafra. I have no business with Biafra. Yes, before I embrace Biafra. But when I saw your attitude, I cannot perpetually fight all my life. I'm 60. Even if I fight and I kill you people, we're in Biafra, we're fighting, then I will be quit that sort of chaotic life, anarchy to my children. No. It's better we stay in Nigeria, where we're all big, we are big. Anytime you do it, I slap you. Anytime you bring your nonsense, I give you a dirty slap. So me, I have embraced Nigeria. And whatever I'm going to do within Nigeria is to fight that Nigeria should be better for all of us. And that's why one day, if I'm alive, I'm going to aspire as president of Nigeria. Because I have all the qualities. I have all the enablement to become president of Nigeria and to change the narrative for Nigeria. Something is wrong. Igbo is the only tribe that people deny in Nigeria. Why? And they claim to be the most intelligent. Look at the Shekiri people. Claiming Benin, claiming Yoruba. Look at the Elijah people. Claiming Yoruba. Elijah people claiming Yoruba. But Ikwere, Anioma, Ndokwa, they are all saying they are not Igbo. It's the attitude. The attitude of Igbo people are disgusting. You don't even have 1% of the history abusing me and insulting me when you have nothing. Even with the you are doing, I'm still richer than you. I'm still better than you. I have more money than you. I have more children than you. I have more comfort than you. And still you keep on abusing people. You alienate people. You make people to hate you. No matter the hatred, no matter this thing you have for me, you can't make me deny that I have Igbo blood flowing in my vein. You cannot. That you cannot. I can tell you I don't want to be Igbo. Okay, I don't want to be Igbo. I am Ijo. But that Igbo blood in me, that Ede my father, put inside me, that Igbo blood in me, that Ele Buke put in me, that Igbo blood in me, that Ada Imuru put in me. You can take it. These are my ancestors, direct, literal ancestors. Ancestors. I came directly. Their DNA is inside me. Their DNA is inside me.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As soon as I don't watch that video and here waiting this Asari Dokubo, they talk for this video. I don't know, somebody will say Inge Igbo blood, but in the always attack Ndigbo. Asari Dokubo, you have no Igbo blood. That is the truth. Because if you have Igbo blood, I'm not sure say you gotta attack Ndigbo the way you take the attack Ndigbo, because Igbos did nothing to you. If na outside country this man dey, they go carry am. If na outside country wey be say the government know wetin dey do, they go carry am go test him brain whether the man don dey get small score. Na so dem dey do am for here. They go go check him brain whether e don dey get issues for brain, because wetin this man dey talk sometimes, e go come outside today, e go say him be Biafra, him be this one, na him be the main person wey be the Biafra. Tomorrow e go change am again. Asari, e never old though. If you say you don old now, I go say na old age na dey run inside your head. But I no know wetin be the main problem of this man towards Ndigbo. But however, let us jump inside Mbano. Mbano, go know wetin dey happen for that side. They say people don dey carry their bag for head. They japa due to the katakata wey dey for that place between the Nongo men and between the government and the people of Nigeria Army. Just watch the video before we come back and continue.
Guys, look what kingdom come. Look where the mo. Oh, look at you. Okay, I can't call a bull. Look what the mo. Don't have a lot like this.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. This na the moment wey the people they carry their bag, they japa, they comot. We still they get another information of wetin dey happen for that area as the men of Biafra Liberation Army crash with the Nigeria Army. They say 12 healers and they leave some run. I will show you the video. Stay tuned.
Hello blood. Today go never. Today second road. So Kawo road there.
Then call auto.
There healers na blood.
Now we no be them.
Now we. Blood.
No peace.
I know.
Blood.
Healers there have road. Na hale oshi aja he oshi aja. Na ya hale oshi aja he oshi aja. Sa. Oya o mu chuku. I mean, that is it.
Biafra Liberation Army. The Zoo Army. Everybody have the then collect. They collect
I believe. You don't.
12 years so. 15 more than I have better war. How would I
12 kilos.
Zoo.
12 kilos.
See
now more tanker. But if you never, I lose you. Today, hotel, 2024, that happened. That's so. We are coming for now. I have done the bag. No matter. No matter.
Nigerian Zoo. Nigerian soldiers.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, please, as you they watch, make sure say you they share them so that other people go they get our information. Know waiting they go on as they hot. It's still there for Balabas G's. Share this video, guys. I want to use the opportunity to tell you people that these people are trying to bring all my account down for no reason, because I they talk waiting they happen, I bring account show now. That be my only crime where I come. But I'm coming up with another account, so be ready to support massively in this one. Thank you so much, guys, and share the video.